This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, are you able to hear me? Able to see?
Yeah, Ram.
Yes, are you able to see my screen? Okay. So here you can see.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yes,
I'll
yes.
just know that open source playbooks. Okay. Galaxy is an open source. Okay. That open source tool. So you can download playbooks, and if you want, you can write. You can upload the playbook. So here, right. So here you can see this. So the tags means you want any database rules or playbooks. So you can click this cloud, data, Ubuntu, networking, you can see here. So the tag means, so if you go with the per monitor, you can available. So these many rows or these many playbooks in Galaxy. For database, so available. So these many cloud, you can see in these many the playbooks or rows and available here. Just 1 second, I'll change it. Yeah. Now are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, that for example, if you want any playbook or any rows, so you can search here. So for example, Java. So if you want to install any Java, yeah, so you can search. Okay. So if you search here. Here you can see, you can find so many things. Okay. For example, just to run that. Find install Java install. Okay, so install and configure Java. So here, right? So you can somewhere. Okay, so if you see
Ram, your voice is breaking. I cannot hear you. No. Ram, if you're talking, I'm not able to hear you.
this playbook at this roles. Okay, so about DevOps, you can see that guy also how many downloads, the rating. So if you click this, you download now. Better.
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay. So here, so using this, okay, so this command download it into your server. Otherwise, you can open in GitHub repo in GitHub, so you can see the so the playbook scripting. So here you can see there are all roles. Okay, so same defaults meta. If you open deep, just open defaults. Just, here you can see 1 minute YML file. Same like variables. Okay, defaults are okay. Variables both are similar. Both are similar. Okay, so you can put your variables at defaults folder or variables folder. Okay, so you can say Java. Okay, so that is something. Okay, so format, all the stuff on that. You go meta. So in meta, right? So you can see the author, who is the author, what is the so you can see the version, what is the version, the preferences. That is some information. Okay, some information. Okay, so with the license now, like license, company name, the author, description, some. Okay, like normal metadata. Molecule default, both. Okay, the molecule I don't know. I think it's a new one. We'll see later. Open task in tasks. Okay, so you can see the format by YAML file. This is normal YAML file. Okay, maybe this file, so they included into this main YAML file. Just open main YAML file. We'll see. So here you can see just they're including the so that extra YAML file. So that extra YAML file that they're including to reduce the number of lines in one same playbook, in same play, in same page, okay, in same one playbook or one file. Okay. So this is okay, the main YAML playbook. You can see all these are the variables. All these are the variables. Maybe they depend in the default files or the variable files. Okay. So when condition means when Java vendor open JDK, so this command will execute. Here also you can see. So here, right, for example, in environment you have requirement. So to install and configure the Java, you can take this one. You can download this one. Look at this rule, or this rules, or this playbook. You can edit as per your requirement. Okay, so simple. Whatever we discuss, it's same thing. So this thing we will discuss. Here you can see. So say okay, Gaurav. Here, right. So you said thing, right. So if you want to insert or if you want to replace any keyword, anything, or insert or append something in one file, you can see here. the model name will be line and file. Line and file. Okay. So here, if you see here, so in this script, okay, in this script, so they're okay. So they're replacing. They're replacing so new some new keyword instead of this one using regular experience. Okay. So this is existing keyword. Okay, this is existing keyword. So okay, and they're replacing with new one. So using line file, so you can replace, you can insert, so that those things and all. I will show you that playbook. Okay, at least example. So if you go back, so variables. Here also some variables. Okay. As well some variables. Okay. You can put your variables. Okay. Both defaults. So you can see here all the variables. Okay, Gaurav, Revati.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, here you may get some confusion. Okay, okay, leave it.
Okay.
Just go to the last two classes video, at least last class video, the roles video. Okay, you'll get to
Okay.
understand. So if not, just okay. So we'll meet one day and we'll discuss once again.
Okay.
Okay. So here, right. So okay, if you want, okay, for example, in your environment, okay, you have a requirement to install and configure Java. Simple. Okay. So okay, just download these roles. Okay. So and edit as per your requirement, the variables, whatever. Okay. So just you can edit, you can modify it. Same thing, whatever. Okay. So in same cases, so if you want any, okay, any others, you can search here. Okay, if you have any other requirement, so you can search here. For example, tell me any one requirement, any one scenario. Can anyone tell me any one scenario or any one requirement? We'll see. Anything. This is such that role.
Maybe installing any other application.
Which one? Any
I mean, any application if you want to install.
tell me the application name. Application name. Tell me any application, no problem.
I think most of the one which we already seen, right? Java we have seen, Git we have seen, HTTP.
Tell me any whatever any whatever application you need, any other.
Maybe any maybe database, Oracle.
So clear. So
Ram, can we
you
install
can see there
any?
are lot of. Tell me, saying something.
Yeah. Can we? Yeah. Can we install SQL like that? SQL or anything into the server? How to install like that process? Means share we required, right?
Yeah,
So how to
yeah,
do?
yeah. Yeah, here you can see the. Okay, I'm searching for the Oracle. Okay, so later we can search
Okay.
for SQL also.
Okay.
Okay, if you search for Oracle install, right, so you can see, yeah, so many playbooks. Okay, so many playbooks. Take, okay, so here, right, well, referring, take that how many downloads, highest downloads on the rating also. If you see here 4.5. come down 3.8. Here you can see somewhere, okay, 5.5 score, 5 score and downwards also. Okay. Here if you see right, 4.5, but downwards you can see 4.4 score, but downwards you can see so many downloads. Okay, just do this. So install Oracle Java. This is Oracle Java. It's not Oracle database. Okay, this is Oracle Java. This is also Java, not Oracle database. Uh, Search with Oracle DB. Oracle DB. So you can see here. So into Oracle database install. Okay, playbook install Oracle database. So here also, here you can see. So Sonar Cube. Here, right, if you want to install your Sonar Cube or Nexus or your Jenkins also, you can do it with playbook also. Later we'll see this one. Anyway, I'll open and I will see later. I'll open this thing. I will see later. Okay, so take anything. Here you can see install the Oracle database. Just open that one.
But the playbook which you took that says build failing, right? So is it a work playbook or
Failing?
playbook which you took for Sonar Cube? It says it tag of failing.
No,
right?
that's only for installing Sonar Cube. That's it.
Okay.
Not pipelines. Not pipelines. Just only installing and configuring server in OS level. So it's not pipeline something.
No, but that has a tag of build and then failing. So I was asking.
Okay, so we will see. Here you can see, right? So you can see here. So our Oracle. Okay, so go task. So you can see here. So there's so many things. Okay, user groups means you creating users, swap check. Okay, these are all the external YAML files, right? This is main file. This is main file. In this main file, right? So they may include all these things. These external YAML files. Yeah, just open. So here you can see. First they're checking if the work is already installed or not. Okay, so install or not. Okay, so here you can see Garo. So again, the line in file. Line in file means using line in file. Okay, so in one file, you can replace the existing one. Here, right? So what they are doing, they are replacing. This is the existing one. This is maybe this is variable. Okay, this is variable. Okay, they're replacing with new line or new something. Okay, you can see line or whatever. I will show you that the example later. Okay, so you can see here. So check path for PV for Vara VG something some database related things here. So, okay, something you can see here. They're including, okay, they're including using include statement. They're including some those Excel files. So this means they commented this. Okay, so I think you know that. So this means they commented. Here you can see. So make sure it's all directly exist. Some the database directories, all those stuff. You can see here. So for example, same thing in same, okay, in environment you have one scenario or a requirement to install a database and configuration. So just take this playbook, download this playbook and modify as per your requirement, as per your production, as per your company, that scenario. Okay, and also that okay, you have to change these things while downloading this, right? If you see that metadata, in metadata you can see that actual author name here, right? Go metadata YAML file. So here if you see author, right, if you see Kosala Adapattu, here you have to change. Okay, so don't copy paste exactly. Just change your name, put your name. Okay, otherwise just remove that metadata entirely, remove that. Okay, just remove that metadata folder also if you want. Otherwise just come here and change here. If you forget, right, something is some after some days, right, if you see anyone, then they will come to know, okay, this guy copy pasted from somewhere like that. Okay, so make sure come to metadata, Okay, so change your name here, that name also, author name also, or remove entire thing. That metadata stuff, the content, just remove it. Otherwise, just change your name, whatever you record, you can do it. Okay, so see, okay, here, right, what if you see the, okay, here we can see one more thing. Sonar cube. This is sonar cube. This is for, you can see Ansible role that install sonar cube. This is one install a sonar cube, Gaurav. Okay, in server level, right, so we will install sonar cube, right? Just only installing sonar cube. So see that one. Revati, any questions, Revati?
So anyways, basically for all this installation, we'll follow one set of pattern, right? First, we'll see something like my requirement will be clear, right? Something like, let's say, first we need to check the OS level, then we need to see whether it is all installed or not, something like that, right? So all the installation will follow
Yeah,
the same
yeah,
pattern.
yeah,
I
same
cannot
thing also.
change,
First, yeah, yes, same.
change, change that
Mm.
flow for each of this installation. So that should be good, I think. Yeah.
Mm. Here, just you can see install a sonar cube. Okay, sonar cube. So if you go sonar cube, you can see here. So setup prepare. This is all the external YAML files. This is main file. In this main file, so they may included. So this external YAML files. You can see here creating one group. So some group, like some username, some group. So okay, so, yeah, some group name, some username. You can using group module. They're creating the group. Using user module, they're creating the user module and assigning that group. Okay, and you can see okay, some directories. Okay, using file module, so they're creating so one directory. Okay, and assigning owner, assigning group. Okay, the loops already we discussed. Okay, the loops under Ansible just installed. You can see it just okay. Java version, just the checking Java version something. Okay, so something failed if Java is not available. Yes, you can see all prerequisites, everything prerequisite, everything's okay. So they're doing through playbook only. Same thing. Okay, so if you want, okay, whatever the SQL, right? You said SQL, right? Search for SQL. We will get all right that common things. These databases, so, okay. Any sub applications we will get. Sometimes you will not, you may not get for some any okay some unfamous. All famous databases, famous applications, you will get the playbooks. No doubt on that. Okay, and surely for all famous applications you will get the playbooks. Sometimes there's some any okay so unknown applications and that you may not get. So SQL install, you'll get so many playbooks for SQL install. Okay, so many rules. You can choose whatever you require. So okay, and you can edit, you can modify it. So so you can see here. So okay,
So
Windows Win
for the
install
install,
SQL
what are
or
the
SQL Win
for
Windows.
these all things? What are the prerequisites from into the Ansible
For
server? Some
SQL,
prerequisites we need to install. For these things installing, we require any prerequisites for that one,
which one?
or the SQL install. These things we are doing right. If we install through
Yeah,
Ansible to the respective server, what are the prerequisites are required?
no, that we don't know, right? So see, here for example, you are the SQL admin, that you should know. What's the, you are the Oracle admin. You should know, right?
No,
What
no,
are the
I am telling Ansible, but I am telling in Ansible, but Ansible, but what all things are
Ansible,
required?
Ansible not required anything. Whatever we just install, whatever we set up the earlier, that's it, and that's it from Ansible. whatever we did just read, just I install Ansible and set up that host inventory file. That's it. Nothing from Ansible. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. As usual, whatever you write in the playbook. So since last classes, in the same way. Same way. Okay. Here, right? I think you missed last the roles concept. So that's why you're confusing here. Okay. Please go to that last two classes. Okay. So then we'll meet one. Then we'll discuss this thing. Okay, right. So that's the Galaxy. So in Galaxy, almost all the playbooks or roles you can get it. Okay. So all famous. Some read some unknown. If you search any small applications, I'll search for Quatch Desk. Quatch Desk. Quatch Desk is one of the application to monitor Java schedulers. You see like this, right? So I can't see any Quatch Desk here. Okay. So Quajas is one of the tool. So using Quajas, we can monitor the Java schedulers in Java, right? So using Spring Boot, we'll have some schedulers like email scheduler, summary scheduler, reminder scheduler, something. Okay, so we can't something. Okay, and see in any other application if you want. Almost all. Okay, so almost all you can see. So Tomcat. Okay, you'll see a lot of playbooks for Tomcat. Okay, so no need to worry about Tomcat. There are so many playbooks for Tomcat. So Apache, so many playbooks. Okay, you will get it. So many playbooks you get it. So no need to worry. You can see PHP also. If you want to install any PHP and all, you can. Or if you have any request to Jenkins. Okay, so Jenkins. So many playbooks you will get it. It means installing and configuring Jenkins through playbooks instead of manually. So many playbooks you will get it. You can see here. Okay. All some okay known knowing known applications. Okay, so tools you will get the so many playbooks. Okay. Sometimes you may not get for unknown applications or any new applications. You can't get. Okay, so that is the thing. Any questions, Gaurav, Revati?
No, Ram.
So okay, we have one more module, file in line. Okay, so using file in line, right? So you can replace the existing lines or existing in your word and so using this play. Okay, so I don't have playbook. Okay, so here I will show you. You can practice. Okay, if you require. Okay, so later also I will give playbook for that. Simple. Any config file, any one script. Okay, any whatever some file. Okay, whatever you can. So okay, so you can see. So manage lines in the text files. Text files with anything. Okay, XML, .ssh, whatever some files. Okay, any kind of file. So you can manage the. You can replace, insert. So you can see options. What are the options here? And you can take the backup also. Means okay. So before changing any means before inserting, before changing any line, so that some content, some line in the file, you can take the backup also. Okay, backup also you can take the backup also. So there is some first match the interface something group line. Okay, so line here if you see using line, the line to insert or replace it to the file required by state present if back reference is set may contain the you can see using right so line. So this way okay, the entire line in that in one file, the entire line you can okay, insert or you can replace it. Mode, the permissions. Okay, permissions also you can change it. So path, okay. You can see regular expression, using regular expressions, okay. So using this one, so that word, so particular, okay, so particular keyword, so you can change it. Look for every line, okay. Look for in every line for the file, the fun, okay. And you can see here, okay. So line is the particular line. So regular express means it will check in the entire all matching lines. Okay. So you can see. So C level, C type, state. Okay. So if you see any example here, you can see example. So here you can see example. So you can see means in this file, okay, in this file. So in this file, okay. So there, okay, just replacing. Okay. So it's a new keyword. Before something is there here, some maybe something is there. Okay. So and is ensure is set to enforcing mode means SE Linux is equal to something is there in before. Okay. So and there okay. So replacing the with a new one. Okay, Gaurav. Is it
Yeah,
okay? Okay. Same thing. So here also, if you see here, so okay. So here in this file, so okay, they're replacing with a new keyword. With okay, for this they're replacing this with a new keyword. So okay, you can see here, okay. So examples. You can see.
Can we have any one Oracle installation or anything? Example, can we
What's this?
any one installation like Oracle or SQL? Any example can we do for a practical lab?
Oracle or SQL. Okay, sure. So okay. So, right now I don't have that playbook. Okay, for next class, right? So okay, I will prepare playbook and I will show you.
Yeah, I verified that Galaxy that thing. Multiple things are need to modify, so that's why.
See here, right? Okay. See, you are installing the Oracle. Here you are not Oracle admin, right? So okay, here you have to contact the Oracle that DB admin. So you can check with them the steps and what to modify all those things. Yeah, if you just put it on mute. Okay, yeah, thanks. Here, right? See, if you are Oracle admin, then you should know what are the files need to update, all the stuff, right? If you are not Oracle admin, then you don't know, right? So then you have to contact with the Oracle admin, DB team. So they will give you some. Okay, so okay. Same thing, SQL. Okay, if you are SQL admin, then you should know what files need to update, all the pre-request, the post request, that all those things. Right? If you are not a SQL admin, so you don't know, right? Then you have to contact with the database team. That's it, right? Say so. Here also, right? Here I'm not a SQL admin, or I'm not a Oracle admin, so I don't know that pre-request or post request, what to do, all those things and all. So then what I will do, I will contact with Oracle, the DB team, So I will work with them. So here you are the Windows admin, right? So you know, for example, in Windows, right, you are doing something. You're installing some XYZ package in Windows. Then you know what is the command, all those stuff, right? That depends upon the thing. Okay, Shesu.
Okay.
Anyway, if we so yeah, so where you confused, right? Okay, that we'll see that. Okay, we will see that one, Shesu. Same thing. Okay, so if you see a line in file, right? So use your line in file. Okay, so okay, so we can change all those things under. Same thing, we have one more thing. Black in file. Black black in file. Okay. Means entire the block you can change it. Okay, you file module right. So enter the block. So you can change or you can replace it. So here you see the same. Okay, so same thing. So okay, so if you see these playbooks, okay, so you use black in black in file, okay, black in file. So okay, entire block, okay, entire block. So we can change it. If it backup as means before editing anything, so it will take the backup. You can see here. Just try at least one or two playbooks, okay, Gaurav. This file in line, line, okay, and the black in file, line in file and black in file, okay. So you will come to know. If not, if you have any questions, then okay, I will help you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so so here you can see, okay, so here right in HTML file, so they are changing the one block or inserting something, okay, insert something and enter the block. Okay, right. So there is a thing. So any questions?
No, Ram.
Okay, right. Same thing, right? Okay, so if you want to install the any EC2 instances, just one second, I will show you. Come there, come there. Means if you want to provision, this, maybe it may be VMware or the AWS or whatever, Google Cloud or Azure, whatever it may be. For example, so AWS, just AWS EC2. Okay, so collection of modules. You can see here, so create instances in EC2 instances in AWS. It will come down. Okay, so here you can see. So here's the task. So you can see main YAML file. So here, right, so you can see. Okay, open main YAML file. So here you can see that playbook. Here all they're including the include statement that they're including. So you just see what is there in include state. Include that way, the external YAML file. EC2 security group. Okay, security. If you know AWS, then you okay. So if you know AWS, security group is one of the like firewall, one of the firewall. Okay, so security group, click EC2 instance. So here you can see. So Okay, using EC2 model, using EC2 model. Okay, access key and secret access key means it's kind of like a password username. Okay, before you're creating that, you want okay, you need to sync with your account using some keys. Region, which is region. So the key name, group, instance type, all this. Okay, the image. Okay, so you can see. So this one I will show you. So okay, I will show you the playbook for this creating EC2 instance. I'll show you playbook for maybe next class also. Okay, any questions? Gaurav, Revati, Shesu?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay, so like this, right? So whatever. See here, right? We can't practice all the modules. There are some thousands of modules. We can't practice it. So we can, at least you can practice whatever the daily basis. For example, you are the Linux admin. For example, take Linux admin. Just practice at least 10 to 15 Linux modules. Linux module. Or you are the Windows admin. At least practice some 10 to 15 Windows modules. Okay. So in interview, they will ask what are the modules you are using. Okay. And that you can't, right? So you have to tell. For example, you are the something, you are the database admin. Just practice at least 10 to 15 database modules. So like that. Okay. For example, so you know the cloud also. For example, AWS, you know AWS. Okay, just practice some playbooks, creating EC2 instances. Okay, some EBS volumes, the VPC, the security groups. For example, okay, if you know AWS, okay, then for example here that if you don't know AWS, okay, so then you don't know what is instance tag, what is the region, what is security, what is that public, you don't know. So if you want to prepare playbooks on the AWS, then you should know AWS. Without doing AWS, how you can prepare playbooks? You know? Same thing here also. If you know database, if I don't know Oracle or SQL, okay, how to write the playbook? I can't write playbook, right? So same thing. And that time, what you have to do? You have to work with that particular team, database team or the cloud team. Okay, Gaurav, Revati.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So yeah, that is the thing here. Okay, so any questions? Yes, any questions? Yes,
No.
okay. Okay, so okay, so that okay, so go to the last two classes. Okay, so okay, still if any question, one day we'll meet and we'll discuss. Okay, that's the thing. So tomorrow we'll see that Ansible tower. Okay, tomorrow Ansible tower. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see Ansible tower. Okay, in our case, just practice this file in line, black in line, sorry, line in file, black in file, and some okay. If you know AWS, okay, so these things at least some practice this AWS in okay, these modules. Okay, modules. So tomorrow we'll see tower. So that's it, Ansible. Okay, day after tomorrow we'll go for the Docker. Okay, Gaurav, Revati.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So still, if you have any scenarios, any other, any some requirements, at least we'll discuss something. Okay.
So we're installing any server through Ansible from tomorrow?
No, tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll discuss the Ansible tower. Okay. No, which server you want to install? Yes.
Anything, Linux or Windows or anything.
Means creating the Linux server, right?
Insta Creating a server
I will. Yeah, I will show you. I will show you. So
through
I will
playbook.
show you. Yeah, I will show you. I will show you this. So tomorrow, okay, we'll discuss tower. Okay, still if you have time now, so then we'll see. We'll install. We'll create the any instance. Okay, right. So Gaurav, Revati, you have any scenarios? You have any requirements?
No, Ram, I think this should be good.
Okay, Revati, what about you? Any requirement? Any scenarios? So at least I will I'll come up with at least some okay, theory or some playbooks if you have any. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Sesu, okay. We will create Sesu. We will create one EC2 Linux or Windows server. We will create. Okay, I will come with the playbook. So tomorrow we'll see tower. Still, if you have time, then we'll see. Otherwise, sometime some other day we will see. Okay, thanks. Maybe okay. So tomorrow tower will finish. So on one or two playbooks to create the EC2 instance or the Linux server or Windows server. We'll see. So then we'll go to the Docker.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Gaurav. Thanks for this.
Thank you, Ram.
Thank you, Ram. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.